Hello and welcome to YourEducationSource.com. My name is Roger Frank and today's video is about the weather. So when someone asks you, how is the weather? And the weather is like this, you'll reply, it's raining. And when it's raining, you need at least a hat. And better than a hat, to have an umbrella. Common question, how is the weather today? And when the weather is like this, you'll reply, it's raining. Let's review some of the weather vocabulary about rain. The question, how's the weather today? Possible answers are, it's raining, it's rainy, it's raining hard, or the idiom, it's raining cats and dogs. One more time. How's the weather today? It's raining, it's rainy, it's raining hard, or it's raining cats and dogs. Remember though, you would only use the idiom it's raining cats and dogs if it's raining hard. I hope this video has been helpful for you in understanding some vocabulary about rain. And remember to visit YourEducationSource.com for resources to help you learn English. Thank you for watching.